Hi, my name is Kaydence. I'm going to teach you how to make vegan chocolate chip cookies. Here's all the ingredients. Here's the butter. Here's the vanilla extract. Here's the egg replacer. Here's the sugar. Here's the brown sugar. Here's the salt and the baking soda. Here's the flour. And here's the chocolate chips. If you need the ingredients, look on the description down below. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees, which my daddy already did. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper or use non-stick cookie sheet. We sprayed the pan so it's slippery. In a large bowl, cream the butter. Put the sugar in. Put the brown sugar and vanilla in. Add the egg replacer. Now it's time to mix it. Daddy, can you come help me mix?
Sure.
Yes.
That's the flour. And this stuff. We'll get this butter bowl out of the way. No. Here's what we're gonna do. Do you want to pour or do you want to mix?
I want to mix.
Okay. It's gonna get hard. So you're gonna mix in here.
No.
Yes, because I'm gonna start pouring some of this in there. And then you keep stirring until it's mixed up. These cookies are so good. Do you
Very
love them?
good. Yes.
Is your arm tired yet?
Yes.
You want to trade?
Sure.
Here, I'll scoot you over. So when I tell you to, you just Are we even going to make cookies or are we just going to eat all the dough?
We're going to make a couple cookies for
Make a couple?
everyone and then just eat the rest of the dough because dough is good, right?
Yeah, so
Hello, everybody. I'm back.
you weirdo. I don't think you need cookies. You're already hyper enough. Can you get you sugar?
Yes, give me more sugar.
Okay, fine.
I haven't had any sugar.
Okay, now we need the good part. The last ingredient.
Chocolate chips.
Pour them all in there. Timer. Boom.
Taste it.
Is it good? Oh my gosh. Try some. Oh my god. Alright, so that last little batch we made, the dough is a little runny.
Yeah.
So we just added a little bit of flour and that kind of thickened it up a little bit.
Look better.
Makes it look like more like cookie dough instead of just chocolate chip soup.
Oh, the cookies are done.
I'll go get them.
Okay, Daddy. What?
All right. Well, since we didn't use enough flour at first, they kind of spread out. I assure you they're going to taste really good though. But now you'll notice that this isn't as runny anymore. We're going to throw it in the refrigerator, and they should make regular looking cookies after this, all right?
Yes.
Not bad.
Sorry about that. My daddy thinks too big of a really God. Or that.
So, that's it, huh?
Yeah.
That's how you make the cookies. If you made them, we would love to know if they turned out better than ours and they didn't spread out all over the place. So please leave a comment, let us know how they tasted for you. Until next time, I think Kaydence is going to eat this whole bowl.
Maybe. I love cookie dough.
Bye. Where'd you just come from?
The pool.
What are we going to do?
Make another batch of cookies.
Why?
So they're not all mushy, soupy, and spread out everywhere. It's squishy.
All right. Sounds like a plan. Let's make these cookies. Boom. Doesn't that look so much better?
Yeah.
Better than the soup?
Yeah.
I think these cookies are going to turn out a lot better. What do you think?
I don't look like real cookies.
Exactly.
This tastes like real cookie dough.
I think it's real cookie dough. Hopefully it's not Play-Doh. Top. Nice.
I know which one I'm having.
Oh, already, huh?
Can I have mine?
Right now?
Yes.
You're about to go to bed.
I want it anywhere.
We gotta let them cool off. I love you.